Hello, tourist destination la playa de Belén, Norte de Santander, promoted and is Conde, and welcome to page presentation. And la playa de Belén is a magical place in Norte de Santander. This place has an area of around 241,895 for 6 residents, and la playa is one of the preserved 19th century towns and is of the north of heritage of towns and of Colombia. The best month to go and enjoy all the activities in la playa Belén is on June. This in the summer season. I invite you know this very short place, duration, and when of this trip will be 3 days and 1 night. We must stay in Taulandia and tourist viewpoint, and is a principal place. In this place you can enjoy wonderful glamping and grateful view of the town. Also, we can stay in different hotels located in the town. On this trip, we are going to use a bus or a car to arrive there, and then we can use the most common transportation in this place, and motorcycles, and go to all the place that we want and visit. On the first night, we will arrive at the place to stay. In the morning, we will visit Los Terraces, a unique hour, a nature area, and spend the day there. And on the second day, on the second day, we will visit Los Pinos, the Pines, and enjoy a picnic there. Enjoy a picnic there. On the third day, we will go and practice extreme sports in Charagua Natural Park. And enjoy the beautiful view we have to taste all the delicious food this town. You can use summer clothes every day, but at night it's necessary that you carry on jacket with you. During the days we are going to stay there. We will eat typical food in this place is arepa coñera and mute with more details, the typical reds, onions. So we are going to say we will eat the typical food in this place is arepa coñera and mute. We miss the taste, the typical reds, onions, cebollitas, and different flavors of arequipe and brevas. Also, we must the taste, the typical drinks in la playa: chicha, masato, horchata, and guarapillo. Those drinks are beverages. Those drinks are beverages subject to the cooking and fermentation process. Wow. The cost for the tour paid, and the tour page is a handhouse for a person. I will wait for you. Thanks. I will wait for you. Thanks.